everyone. We will going to discuss the topic about faculty evaluation system. So we've enhanced the faculty evaluation system for improved data security, controlled access, and easier maintenance. The first one is data protection and security. Encapsulation is about protecting critical data within your system in the faculty evaluation system. Sensitive data such as faculty scores, evaluator information, and feedback is securely stored and accessed only through controlled processes. Direct access to this data is restricted, ensuring that only authorized actions like evaluations or report generation can interact with it. Example: evaluator credentials are not exposed directly. Instead, they are handled through secure authentication and stored in an encrypted format.
Controlled data access encapsulation ensures that users interact with the system only through specific interfaces. Evaluators can submit ratings via predefined form but cannot directly manipulate stored faculty evaluation data. Admins may access reports, but access to raw evaluator data is controlled to maintain anonymity. Example: the evaluation scores are accessible to admins through generated reports, but the raw scores remain hidden. Validation and data integrity encapsulation helps validate and sanitize the data before it's saved in the system. When evaluators submit scores or comments, the system checks if the data meets predefined criteria. If scores are within valid ranges, comments are appropriate. This ensures consistent and reliable data across the system. Example: the system only accepts score between 1 and 5 for evaluations. Example: if you introduce a new rating formula, you modify the internal logic without disrupting the user interface or reports. Proof maintenance and updates encapsulation groups related data and operations into modules, making your system easier to maintain. If you need to update how evaluation scores are calculated, you can make changes in one part of the system without affecting other modules.
Number 1. Simplifying user interaction abstraction ensure that user evaluator admins interact with the system with clearly understand its inner worker, evaluator. They only see the evaluation form and provide score feedback without worrying about how the data processed and stored. Admin, they access report and dashboard without needing to know how the evaluation data are retained. Example: an evaluator sees simple interface to read faculty, but the system handles back-end tasks like evaluation, storage, and store calculation. Number 2. Hiding technical details. The system hides complexities and processes like authentication, database management, or data analytics. User only presented with the necessary tool and information. Evaluators are not exposed to the logic checking if their login credential match of database. They only know if the login was successful. Admins see summarized report of faculty performance, not the raw evaluation data or complex aggregation logic. Example: the admin generates the performance report with one click, but the system performs multiple action relevant data, applying filter and formatting result behind the scene.
Number 3. Modular system design. Abstraction is also achieved through modular designs where each module, like login, evaluation form, or reporting, focuses on single functionality and hides its implementation details. Login module handles authentication, but users only interact with the username or password. Evaluation module allows evaluators to provide feedback without revealing how scores are stored or analyzed. Report module generates performance summarized without exposing how the data is fetched and processed. Number 4. Focus on essential features. Abstraction ensures the system only shows what is relevant to each user's life. Evaluators see features related to submitting evaluation. Admins access features for managing the system and viewing reports. Super-admins handle system configuration and user management. Examples: admins see faculty performance summaries, while evaluators are limited to submitting scores, ensuring that each user only accesses relevant functionalities. Number 5. User-friendly interface. The system abstracts technical details through a simple, intuitive interface, making it accessible to technical users. The back end may involve complex algorithms to calculate faculty performance, but users only see the final result in an easy-to-read format.
Workflow example, login process. The user enters credentials in the login form HTML. PHP verifies the credentials by querying the database. If valid, the user is redirected to their respective dashboard, submitting an evaluation. The evaluator fills out an HTML form. The data is sent to a PHP script for validation and processing. The scores and feedback are stored in the evaluation table in the database, generating reports. Admin requests a report via the dashboard. PHP queries the database the evaluated result. The data is displayed as the table or graph using HTML. 6. Code design principles. We followed separation of concerns. Front-end HTML and back-end PHP are distinct, making the system easier to maintain. Reusability. PHP scripts database queries are modular, allowing you to reuse components like tagging, logic, or form validation. Scalability. The system database design can handle more user, faculty, or evaluation data as needed.
This is all the codes and faculty evaluation system uses HTML for the interface and JavaScript to handle form submissions and dynamically display data. Users input faculty details, name, subject, rating, and comments, which are added to an HTML table in real time without needing a database. JavaScript manages data processing, ensuring a simple and user-friendly experience.
Here's the final code of our system, the Faculty Evaluation System.